if we cat site index, if you remember, this is what gives us this website. So if we run make index, we should get that exact same thing. There we go. That constructed that in real time. So we actually saw the process to make that. Again, all these color codes are just ANSI escape sequences. So if I were to pipe this something like cat -v, you can see this basically is what's being sent to the user. Your browser has no idea what to do with this, but your terminal does. And that's why your terminal can explain or can show it to you. So if I run this and pipe it to something like less, you can see that we have all these ANSI escape sequences there. No good. If we pipe it to less -r, we can interpret the sequences, and suddenly we have something that makes a lot more sense. So I have some videos in the past where I talk about this. I won't talk about that here, but basically that's what's happening here. So it's text plus ANSI escape sequences. But again, we run this, we get the full website. So let's take a look at make index. Here we go. Generate the page as seen by curl ysap.sh. The first thing we do is we source the theme, and then we break out if we're done. Let's back out of here. Let's take a look at that theme file. It's just a file called theme. My personal color theme for the website, loosely based on a dark solarized theme. So these are the colors I've chosen. If you remember from the CSS file, I had 5 colors there. That's what's going on here. I picked these colors first because I like them, and then I turned them into their hex values in CSS. So you can see I have color 1, color 2, color 3, color 4, color 5. I can use them however I want. This is the ANSI color code that will resolve to that. So I'll show you if I'm on my terminal here. I could source that right here, and I could echo like color 1, hello world, and then RST for reset, and then I get that. So these are just the colors that I've picked for my color scheme. If you've seen my website, you know that these are the colors you'll typically encounter. Bam, there's all the colors there. So the first thing we do is we pull in the theme. That's great. Make index, pull it back up. Then look at this, see this curly brace? See how that curly brace goes down there? That is a way of grouping commands. We're creating a command group in Bash. So all of these commands will emit to standard out, and then we're gonna pipe all of that into this program called LPAD, and then we're gonna pipe all of that into rtrim ANSI aware. Let's talk about that. So the first thing we do is we run make header -p7, and then we pipe that into tools box, HP4, tplay. What's happening here?